Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open TikTok application, then get logged in into your account. Here at the homepage of your TikTok account, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. You tap on it. Inside your profile, there you can see the option of following list. Just beside of the followers, you tap on following. Now here you can see your following list that you followed to other users on TikTok. Now to unfollow this all, you need to tap on the following button just beside of their user, and with that you will be undo. That is, you won't be following anymore to this user. To unfollow everyone, you need to just tap on following button, and with that everyone will be unfollowed. There will be no following list on your TikTok account. Go back to your profile. There you can see in the following list that is 0. That means you are not following anyone on TikTok. This is how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. Thank you.